Which salesman said one thing he couldn't live without was his wife?
Tim McCain.
What's one thing you can't live without?
My wife.
What salesman said the weirdest thing about him is that he used to water ski as a clown?
Tilly. Andy Tilly.
What is the weirdest thing about you?
The weirdest thing about me, back when I graduated high school, I got recruited to be a clown at Six Flags Atlantis in Hollywood, Florida. I water skied as a clown.
Who said their first car was a 12-passenger van?
Tilly.
What was your first car?
Oh, my first car, the 1979 Econoline 150 12-passenger.
Whose favorite line from their favorite movie is "I'll be back"?
That's McCain. Yeah, McCain.
What's your favorite line from the movie?
I would be back.
Who said their most favorite weirdest food combination is marshmallow fluff and peanut butter?
Tim. I was wrong. Really? I didn't have to do with food. I figured I had to do McCain.
One weird food combination that you'd like to
Oh, one of the weirdest food combinations I have a lot of people really freak out on, it's peanut butter and marshmallow cream.
Who said a hot dog is not a sandwich?
That's Andy Tilly.
hot dog a sandwich?
No.